Dear YouTuber, do you ever feel like no matter what you do, your channel just isn't growing? I'm here to help you out of that valley. I'm sure you would love to see more videos like this often. So, kindly hit that subscribe button. You've tried everything: better thumbnails, better titles, better editing. You spend hours crafting your videos, putting your heart into them, hoping they'll take off. And yet, the views, they just aren't there. And then you hear the advice that everyone seems to repeat: upload daily. The algorithm loves it. More videos, more chances to blow up. And for a second, you believe it. It makes sense. You think, alright, this is it. I'm going all in. So, you start uploading daily. Every single day. And at first, it feels great. You're consistent. You're productive. You're actually doing it. But then, something changes. You start waking up tired. Filming doesn't feel exciting anymore, it feels like a job. Your ideas aren't hitting the same. You're rushing your edits. And worst of all, the views still aren't coming in the way you expected. Now you're just stuck, exhausted, and wondering, was daily uploading a mistake? So, does uploading daily actually help? Or is it just a shortcut to burnout? And if daily uploads aren't the answer, then what's the right way to grow in 2025? The truth about uploading daily. Let's start with what's true. Daily uploads can work if you have the right strategy. When you post often, you increase your chances of getting discovered. The algorithm prioritizes active creators, so the more you upload, the more chances you have to show up in search results and recommendations. It's also great for practice. Every video you make improves your skills: your scripting, editing, delivery, and storytelling. Think about it: if you only upload once a week, that's 52 reps in a year. But if you upload daily, that's 365 chances to improve. But here's where the problem starts. Most people who try daily uploads don't have a plan. They just start posting without thinking about their content strategy. And that's when things fall apart. The dark side of daily uploading. Here's what no one tells you about posting every day. Burnout is real. If you're forcing yourself to create every single day, eventually, you'll hit a wall. Your energy will drop. Your creativity will dry up. And soon, making videos will feel like a chore instead of something you love. Your quality can suffer. If you're rushing to put out content, you might cut corners: less research, weaker edits, recycled topics. And guess what? Your audience notices. Audience fatigue. Just because you post daily doesn't mean people want to watch you every day. If they can't keep up, they start skipping your videos. And when your retention drops, the algorithm takes that as a sign that your content isn't engaging enough, and your reach actually shrinks. So, if daily uploading isn't the magic bullet, what is? The right way to upload on YouTube in 2025. If you want to grow your channel without burning out, here's what you should do instead. Schedule your videos. The biggest mistake new creators make is publishing immediately when they finish editing. But here's the thing: the YouTube algorithm needs time to study your video before pushing it to the right audience. Instead of hitting publish right away, upload it as scheduled. Give YouTube a chance to analyze your content and optimize it for the best audience. It's a small change, but it can make a huge difference in your reach. Batch record. Instead of filming and editing every single day, set aside a couple of days per week to film multiple videos at once. This way, you're always ahead and never scrambling to create last-minute content. Quality over quantity. 3 to 4 high-quality videos a week will always beat 7 rushed, forgettable ones. Make sure every video has a purpose, whether it's ranking in search, sparking engagement, or building your brand. Leverage YouTube Shorts. If you want the benefits of daily posting without the stress, start repurposing content. Clip a 30-second highlight from a longer video and turn it into a short. That's an extra upload with almost no extra work. YouTube isn't a race. The goal isn't to upload the most. It's to make videos people actually want to watch. Faceless versus face channels. Which is easier to upload daily? Now, you might be wondering, is it easier to upload daily if you have a faceless channel? The answer: yes and no. If you're running a faceless channel, you can automate a lot of your content. You can use generated voices, stock footage, or hire freelancers to help with scripting and editing. This makes daily uploads way more sustainable. But if you're the face of your channel, it's harder. You have to be on camera constantly, You have to bring energy, personality, and creativity every single day, and that's draining. At the end of the day, both types of channels require work, but faceless channels have more flexibility, which makes it easier to upload daily without burning out. Now, hang on tight. Get your pen and paper because we'd be talking about the tools that can help you boost your productivity, efficiency, and consistency on YouTube. Tools for faceless channels. For audio, I recommend using Eleven Labs. It's a fantastic tool that can help you create high-quality audio for your videos. For thumbnails, Canva is the way to go. It's a powerful design tool that can help you create eye-catching thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. For sounds, the YouTube Audio Library is a great resource. It offers a wide range of free and licensed audio tracks that you can use in your videos. For stock images and photos, Pixabay and Pexels are excellent options. They offer a vast library of high-quality images that you can use for free. For video editing, CapCut is a great tool. It's a powerful and user-friendly video editing app that can help you create professional-looking videos. Tools for face reveal channels. Here are the basic tools that can help you improve your video quality. A tripod stand or keeping your phone by the window can help you stabilize your camera and reduce shaky footage. A ring light or natural light from the window can help you achieve good lighting and reduce harsh shadows. An affordable microphone or your phone's inbuilt mic can help you improve your audio quality. CapCut is also a great tool for cutting and editing your videos. These are just some of the tools that can help you boost your productivity. Remember, the key to success is to find the tools that work best for you and your channel, and to stay consistent in your content creation. So, should you upload daily? The answer is it depends. If you have a system that allows you to post daily without sacrificing quality, go for it. But if you're just posting for the sake of it, you're better off focusing on consistent, high-quality content instead of just quantity. YouTube is about sustainability. It's not about how fast you grow, it's about how long you can keep going. And before you go, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried daily uploads? Did it work for you? Or did you burn out? Drop a comment, I want to hear your experience. And if this video helped you even a little bit, do me a favor, hit that like button so more people can see this. And if you're serious about growing your channel without burnout, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.